Andrew, I gotta go. Come take me home.
What?
Take me home.
Take a Uber, go home. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 8:27 a.m.
Let's go.
Hope you're having a good weekend.
Man, go on, take a Uber.
I'm not coming back.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Another day, another vlog. Last night, we did 2 turns. But, big up everybody who are by the headphone. I want to say that before the vlog start. This week, I'm supposed to get on the headphone them in the mail. Probably hope you on the camera, you know. This week, I'm probably get on the headphone them in the mail. Remember, take a picture and tag me or a video and tag me. I'm going to repost them and all them niceness there. Remember, if you get a prize, no money in it, take a picture to a video. Yeah, but your package gem come, you see me? Your package gem come. Today we're about to start the vlog. Hey, what car show go on today? Where we have try go? I'm going to be and start with you. I'm so forward back, my team. So vlogger, right now, guess what we're there? We're there at JJ football match. Right now, Jake's on JJ. We're there in football match. Them over here start play right now. So I come take in 2 pieces of ball game. You see me? JJ a ball is still, you know. So I try to catch it. See Jake stay over there so too. And I can't see him way over there so. Can't miss him. Therefore, I don't want to shout out his name, you know. I should do it, but I will leave civilized people here, so I don't give myself no trouble, you know. Jacob! Ball game look nice. Alright, so decide our half time. But no, on a half time, them have water break because the kids are playing. So them have water break. Jake's gone over there and talk to his team. JJ side and that cheek. Jake's over here vex me, don't have video in the committee now. Like him my coach, watch him gone over there now. I coach the people, watch him. Boy, Sir Charles in the building. Yes. Man flying from Jamaica. I shirt brighty dog. It look like one highlighter, so dog. Star ball at JJ. Alright, see you know. JJ touchy feeling. My shot is funny feel right now.
Boys, don't let that 18 pass you.
Watch Jake's are going like him a coach, man. Now make you pitney them play in peace. Alright, yeah, JJ. Pressure, you know, man. Pass, no?
Pass.
Goal! Oh! Yo.
Go for the ball. Watch your
Yo,
ball,
that girl
watch
can't play
your
ball. Yeah.
Watch your ball.
Yeah, get the ball.
Watch your ball. Yeah,
Yo.
boy.
So the football game done. JJ, what you have to say about your side today? Your number 11 on the side. You're a big baller. Big baller number that, you know. What going today? Come here, no? Watch him, man. Come on. Come talk to me. What going today? Goal. What going today? You just never get a good game today. Alright, we'll try again next game, though. Alright. So, vlog world, right now, I know not hear gunshot. Me there at the range. We left JJ game and me there at the range come link slime. Him get some new gun and I try out. And thing. I go bust my gun name, you see me? And thing too. But YouTube I go flag this, so I can't put too much gun thing in there. But me there on gun store right now, you see me? And we're gonna do it for the vlog. Busting that.
Stop.
So vlog world, what I go on, we just pull up our car meet right now. As you can hear some old school song I play in the background. People them out here video me car and be something. And me just pull up, rain a fall by the way. But I'm gonna link up with one of my virgin them. I'm supposed to walk come out of the place right now, come get me. I'll link up with him. We're gonna show him some car real quick, hopefully. And catch a vibe, you see me? Wish me bring somebody with me. Damn!
Things he carry over there, so
Park car. And we're there. We don't know they're definitely in the building. We park over there, so. And be something. We are going inside to a live car show. Showing.
one showroom.
One showroom for some car. All dog out there too, everything out there. Watch it.
Man, dog friendly. Be a dog inside too.
Eh? Rain did a fall not much long ago. Yo, I never ever expect so much caffeine in that parking lot. It's a Walmart parking lot. Oh God, what else, man? Yo, man. Yo, that mother, one of them must say more of a good in my car.
You know, put a Tesla stand and thing now.
Oh, shit. Oh, I only back here out of them, man.
Carry your phone.
Can't fool down this. Go and paint it. What kind of engine this? Huh? RB. You could drive this? What you do, drift it? You lying. You lying. They gonna give you the key? They will give you the key? Oh shit! This yours? Oh shit! That's his car. So vlog girl, I'm a thing. Out there lit. Be a car out there, watch out. Be a SRT, BMW. Hallelujah though. Copyright. And this is my baby. See how they write this up? A mad move. Here I go on. Me not say too much, but just know I find one girl at that car meet here and she'll come home back with me. Alright. I'm going to end the vlog right there, so I'm going to mad up on myself. I'm going to do it for the vlog. You hungry? Go and mad up on yourself. I do it for the vlog. Touch my wave real quick. Alright. Do it for the vlog sooner again. Another time. This is not video. Feel like a Superman. Feel like a Superman. Feel like a Superman. Superman no need tonic. Hard cocky me give off the wine pan it. Drop bomb in your belly. Fuck out of this world. Me come from a different planet. Make me give you some Superman stabbing.